Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Okay. Do you know, children, what is the specialty of today? Can you guess? Yes. Today, National Mathematics Day. What is the specialty of today? National Mathematics Day. First of all, I wish you all the students Happy National Mathematics Day. National Mathematics Day, we are celebrating birth anniversary of Sir Sri Ramanujan. Sir Sri Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan. Yes. Srinivasa Ramanujan. Sir Sri Srinivasa Ramanujan. I will say some points about him. No. Some important points, write in your notebook, children. Okay? Note down in your notebook. Sir Srinivasa Ramanujan was born on 22nd December. Okay, 22nd December 1887. In 1887 in Erode, Tamil Nadu. Erode, Tamil Nadu. I will write down in your notebook. Okay, already you have in English lesson. Already you have lesson. You know about him. Yes, children, am I right? Okay, very good. Srinivasa Ramanujan was born on 22nd December 1887 in Erode, Tamil Nadu. In Erode. Okay. He was very Indian mathematician. Okay. He was very very great Indian mathematician. Ramanujan's birthday was made an annual National Mathematics Day National Mathematics Day. By Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. Manmohan Singh. Write these points, children. Okay. Srinivasa Ramanujan was born on 22nd December in 1887, Erode, Tamil Nadu. Sri Ramanujan birthday was made an annual National Mathematics Day by Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. Okay. Every year we are celebrating. Every year celebrated Mathematics Day, and we did project works also, models, project works. Okay, Mathematics Day, exhibition type we are celebrated in our school. Okay, but we are missed in this year. Okay. Did you complete? Okay. Next, in last class we discussed about averages. Yes, children, we are discussed about averages. Exercise 6.1 problems. Already first one and third one completed. I given homework also. Okay, some are children send me. Once again, I am going to explain those problems only. Okay, from exercise 6.1 only. Now I am explaining fourth one, children. Write fourth one problem. Sixth unit, averages. The weights of 6 boys. The weights of 6 boys are 42 kg, 39 kg, 40 kg, 36 kg, 32 kg, and 33 kg. 33 kg. Find the average runs he scored. The weights of 6 boys are 42 kg, 39 kg, 40 kg, 36 kg, 32 kg, and 33 kg. Find the average runs he code. Okay, some are children yesterday said me, teacher, how to write steps we don't know. Once again explain said. That's why once again explaining exercise 6.1. Okay, just according the problem, first what given in question, once you observe children, first of all. What given here? The weights of 6 boys. Weights given. Here boys, how many members are there here boys? 6 boys are there. Okay, 6 boys weight given. 6 boys weights given. We have to find out average of, sorry, not runs. Find the average of weight of those boys. Weight of those boys. Okay, weights of 6 boys given. Weights of 6 boys are 42 kg, 39 kg, 40 kg, 36 kg, 32 kg and 33 kg. We have to find out here average of weights. Average of weight of those boys. So first of all, we have to write principle of average. You know already. What is the principle of average? Sum of all the items by number of items. But here given weights. Okay, here given weights. So we have to write about weight only. Average of weight equals sum of all the weights. Okay, sum of all the weights. Sum of all the weights by boys weights. Here given boys weights. How many members boys are there here? 6 boys are there. So we have to write number of boys. Okay, number of boys. Number of boys. Okay, what happened, Amma? In our class, only 23 members present. In before class, 30 members present. What about remaining students? "24. I am giving attendance to these students only. 25. Okay. Average of weight equals sum of all the weights by number of boys. Sum of all the weights. Add the weights. 42 kg. 42 kg plus 39 kg plus 40 kg plus 36 kg plus 32 and 33. 32 kg plus 33 kg. Do it fast, children. What is the total of weights? Do it fast. What is the total of weights? 42 kg plus 39 kg, 40 kg, 36 kg, 32 kg plus 33 kg. Make it fast. Add and say. Only add. 222. Very good. Okay, 40 plus 30. 70. 70 plus 40. 110. 110 plus 30. 140. 140 plus 30. 170. 170 plus 30. 200. Okay. Next, ones places. 200. 202, 211, 217, 219, 222. Okay, 219 plus 3, 222. Okay, what is the total? 222. Next here, number of boys. How many boys are there here? 6. So write 6. Next step, this total sum of all the weights 222. 222 by 6. Do simplification, do the division. We get answer. We get average of weight. 222 divided by 6. 6 3s are 18. 22 minus 18, 4. 2. 6 7s are 42. What is the answer? 37. Okay, what is the answer? 37. Right confirmation. Average of weight. Average of weight equals 37 kgs. Okay, average of weight equals 37 kg. Okay, did you understand, Amma? All of you understand? First, sum of all the weights by number of balls. Sum of all the weights equals 222 kgs. 222 kgs. 222 by 6. 37 kgs. What is the answer? Average of weight equal to 37 kgs. Okay, write down. Sana, on your video. Sana. If you have any doubt, raise your hand, children. Meghana, Satvik, Jashwant, Chavasai Teja, on your videos. Karthik, Chandra Reddy. Who is Chandra Reddy? Satvik Reddy. Satvik, Chalamala Satvik. Srishant. Okay, on your video, boy. Srishant. Rishika, Harshad, Asjad, Parne Harshit. Tulasi, are you listening? No doubts. Okay, here you are saying no doubt, but why not doing homework? You're not submitting. Some are children. What happened? In previous class, 30 members present. In my class, only 24 members only present. What about remaining students? I think Harini not there in this class. If you attend the 3 classes, if you listen the 3 classes only, we are giving attendance, today's attendance. Otherwise, we are not giving attendance. Okay, listen carefully. You remember that one first of all. In next class also, you continue same attendance, children. Okay. Next to 5th one. I will explain next to 5th one. The attendance of students in a class on the 6 days of a week is as follows. The attendance of students on the 6 days. Forty, 35, 39, 40, 35, 39, 31, 36, 35, 35. Find the daily average attendance. Find the daily average attendance. Okay, the attendance of students. The attendance of students in a class on the 6 days. Here given 6 days attendance given. 6 days attendance given of a week is as follows: 40, 35, 39, 31, 36, 35. You have to find out average attendance. The daily average attendance. Okay, the daily average attendance. Average attendance equal average of attendance. Average of attendance equal sum of all the attendance. Sum of all the attendance. 40 days, 35 days, 39 days, 31, 36, 35. Sum of all the attendance. Sum of all the attendance by number of days. Number of days. In one day, how many members present? In next day, second day, how many members present? In third day, like that. Number of days. NO dot. NO dot means number of. Okay. Shall I write as full form? Number of. NUMBER. Okay. Number of days. +40 plus 35, 39 plus 31, 36, 35. 31, 36 plus 35 by 6. Add this attendance. Sum of these attendance, how much will come? 216. 216. Add once again, add children. 40 plus 30, 70. 70 plus 30, 100. 100 plus 30, 130. 100 plus 30, 160. 100 plus 160 plus 30, 190. Okay, 190. Don't confuse here, right? 190. Next, 190 plus 5, 195. 195 plus 9. 214. 214. 204. Sorry. 204 plus 1. 205. 205 plus 6. 211. 211 plus 5. 216. 216 days. 216 by 6. Do the division and set. Simplification. After simplification, after doing division, we get one answer. That is only average of attendance. (216) divided by 6. 6 3s are 18. 3. 6 6 are 36. What is the answer? 36. Average of attendance. Equal 36. Okay. Did you understand, Amma? I hope you understand how to find out average. Okay. Next remaining problems, try to your own. Okay, children. Thank you, children. Once again, happy National Mathematics Day. Okay.